Howdy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Oh, massage where? Your back?
I said sit! Jamie, sit down at the wall!
Reggie, we're stranded. What are we gonna do?
Blink if you want some chicken. Okay.
Riley, look at me.
Shopping list: bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Ellie, can you do me a favor? Can you bring me your alligator?